Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the keyword in SQL. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So the last time we worked with where and or was in part 4 of our SQL journey. But I guess first of all, before we get started, if you have not gone and checked out SQL for Data Scientists, .com, please make sure that you do at least check it out. I highly recommend it. I encouraged a non-programmer on my team just a few weeks ago, and they absolutely love it. So zero programming background is taking to it like a fish to water. So just highly encourage you to check it out, because this is actually where we're getting these examples from in these tables. So last time we used where and or, we wanted to see a list of booths that either had a booth price level of A or B. So I actually want to show you an additional way that you would be able to accomplish this. So in SQL, you can pass a list of variables, and the way in which you do this is you're going to pass a list in parentheses. So we would understand this from a Python point of view as the equivalent of a tuple, and the way that then we translate this is we use the keyword in. So let's go over what we're actually doing here. So where price level, and then in this, so it goes through, checks this scenario and along with this scenario. It's not an and, it is the equivalent of an or. So this is what the results were when we ran booth price level A or B, so one or the other, and we got a list of 7. So now when I run this, I get the exact same results, 7 rows, the exact same scenarios. So this keyword can be a huge time saver, and the way that you can then organize your thoughts. So I thought this was a very perfect segue for us to work into, because the next SQL video, we're actually going to be working with a subquery where we're then going to be passing in that into these parentheses. So let that sink in. So I wanted to, because I actually completely missed this, but this is going to work out very well, because next time we're going to have a subquery in here where you're actually able to pass a subquery into a where clause. So real quick video today, but as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server, giving this video a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.